What a ride it's been for Mana. I know lots of people are really happy right now because since the last video, there was a very good trade opportunity. And I even took the trade myself and bought Mana at about $2.30. And I did sell it actually a bit early because I was not expecting the price to continue on as it did. Mana went up past $5, which means we might just have much more room towards the upside. So we're going to have another look at the chart. And we're going to look for another opportunity, either a correction coming right now with a buy to dip opportunity, or even price to continue pushing upwards and find some support. And we'll see just how high this can continue to go. Let's talk about all that good stuff. Welcome to the channel. Let's get it started. My name is John here. I am your host, giving you guys your weekly analysis on the top cryptos. And if you are enjoying this type of content and you're enjoying the channel, you're enjoying my videos, make sure you do hit that like button and continue showing your support to the channel. And I'll also continue doing my part by giving you guys top analysis more and more every week on whatever cryptos you guys pick. Just let me know in the comments below and we'll talk about the usual as we do in every video, such as support, resistance levels, current market sentiment, a little bit of news, and then we talk about that price action. But first, before we get into that, there's actually something I got to show you guys on the channel real quick. Now, this is something I got to show you guys. It looks like we're not there yet. I'm trying to get at 25K subscribers by the end of the year. So right now is that time. If you can't help me out, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you are hitting that subscribe button. That 25K mark will be a huge milestone for the channel. And maybe we just might do another video for you guys, like this Bitcoin superhero video. Maybe we might talk about Ethereum in the next one. And if you want to be one of the first people to see that, make sure you're as well following my Twitter. Just search @RealJohnDoe. And that is where you can follow me. Let's have a look here on CoinMarketCap first and look where Mana is at. So currently right now in the crypto rankings, Decentraland Mana is right here at number 23 with a $9.1 billion market cap, up 46% this week, 16% on the day. Price is chilling right at $5. Now on Currency.com, the current trader sentiment for buyers and sellers for Mana, it does show 75% buyers and 25% sellers, which is worse than last time actually. Meaning we could have some type of resistance right up here in this high, in this mid $5 range. But when we jump in and look at the chart later on in this video, we'll talk about that. Now it's time for price levels that you need to keep your eye on. Now I'm going to give you support and resistance levels for Mana right now, but when we jump into the chart later on in the video, I'm going to show you exactly what those levels represent. And the first level right now for support is $4.40. Support number 2, $4. Support number 3, $3.50 to $3.50 range. And then on the upside, we have $5.20 for the first resistance, then $5.50, and then $6. Now you're going to want to pay attention to this video because later on is when I'll give you guys exactly the meaning of those price levels that I just mentioned. Metaverse coins are holding up the crypto market right now. Mana is one of them. And this could be mostly because of Facebook's name change to Meta. And there has been quite a bit of speculation on Metaverse cryptocurrency projects, which are now reaching all-time highs. We have Mana, we have Sandbox, and there's much more gaming, NFT, Metaverse. All around, all of those are performing well in the past few weeks or past month, I would say. A plot of digital land was sold in the Metaverse. This was for about $2.43 million, which is more than actually homes in New York and San Francisco. This all happened on Decentraland, which is the most popular metaverse environment right now. So is Decentraland just benefiting off Facebook's name change? Maybe not, because the speculation does continue to grow, but a lot of people are believing in just what the metaverse can become. And more metaverse projects are continuing to perform well and also holding off on those gains. Now we just might see Mana push to a new all-time high towards $7, which I think that just might be right around the corner. And that's what we're going to look at here right now on the chart. So looking here at the 4-hour Mana chart, you can see price is breaking down actually right now. And in terms of support levels, I do have down here at this 21 period moving average on this 4-hour chart, down towards 440 to 450. And then the next level is down here towards $4, which is the 50 period moving average. And as you can see, we had quite a bit of consolidation in that range throughout November before breaking out here. And then the next level after that would be down towards 350 to 360. And as you can see, that brings us down here towards this 350 support, which was also a resistance in November a few times, and it was the previous all-time high level. Now, in terms of resistance to upside, I did have 520 that I mentioned earlier in this video, but price is breaking out right now as we speak. So if we do get a close above that 520 level, then that is confirmation for price to continue pushing up towards that next level at about 550. And we may get even both resistance levels taken out all here in this one candle. If that's the case, then we can expect to see Mana head up towards $6 pretty much any day now this week. Now, from where price is at right now, my bullish and bearish scenarios. So looking at this price action, this is pretty bullish price action right here. We had a nice breakout and then the consolidation period, a retest, and then higher low, and then the cup and handle broke out, and price is going pretty parabolic right now. We can expect to see some sort of resistance here at this 550 level, but if price does continue past that level, we're looking at $6 and then $7 as those next major price targets. So currently right now, this is not a really good risk reward for an entry. What would be better is to wait for a pullback. Now, if price does pull back, it would come down to these supports that I mentioned, but the best level for a pullback for an entry would be down here towards $4. Because as you can see, Mana does have those rips and then that consolidation period, another rip, consolidation period. And right now we are in that leg up, the rip. And depending on how that goes, we most likely will see it retrace back down to the latest price range that price was moving sideways at. So if that's the case and it comes back down, then it would be somewhere between $4 to $4.50. But if that does break, then that means the trend line that we've been in now for quite all this time does become broken, and then that could signal that Mana is going to continue into a downtrend. So anything above $4 holding off, we do pull back, is a good buy to dip opportunity. Anything below means a broken trend line, and you can expect price to continue downwards towards closer support. And that level I would be looking at would be down towards that $3 range. Right now, Mana is on a run. So I'm just going to step back from it. I did have an entry and I did have an entry on a trade. I think it was down here towards 230. In this candle actually was where we entered from the last video. And I sold roughly still in that 350 range right up here. And looks like I didn't ride it out all the way up here, but that was still about a 40% gain that I'm okay with. Now, if you're looking to buy Mana or you're holding, it is good to take profit on the way up, and don't wait to take profit when things have already corrected and in consolidation period. This is a good profit taking level, and as price continues to go up, that's what you do. And then as it comes down, you find support, consolidate, that's when you buy or re-enter. So from this current level right now, it is breaking out. If you are a breakout trader, but the momentum is starting to push too much towards the bullish side. If you look here, unless we get a crazy, insane alt season all across the board, then yes, I can expect to see this keep pushing even $10 coming around. But if Mana or these Metaverse tokens are what's holding up the crypto market right now, then this risk reward is not very high in this case. So we could see, if we look at this RSI, the RSI for Mana is overbought. And all the other times the RSI has been overbought on this 4-hour chart. Price was in a nice run up, but followed by a big correction. The first one here was about 50%. The next one up here, that consolidation period, was about 25%. And then this current one right now, depending on how high we go up, let's say we find some resistance at $6, we do have about a 25% correction, and that brings us between $4 to $4.50. But I hope you follow up with the next Mana video we do post on here, because we will be giving you guys an update based on either that buy to dip entry that does come up, or even a breakout continuing past $6 And then if we do have alt season, then I'm looking at $10. I want to thank you for watching. That's all I have for this video. I really appreciate your comments you guys leave on the videos. So if you have been leaving comments on the videos, we have been reading all of those. If you haven't left one on this video, just take 2 seconds right now. Leave your comment below. Just write mana with your price target, and the closest one to my price target, I will go ahead and like that. That is all for now. I hope to see you back again next week in our analysis right here on the channel. Thanks for watching. It's John here with Currency.com. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.